Hello everybody, this is my fourth video. So now I give you how to design a two motor control circuit using common off push button and separate on off push button, and you can follow this video and you can build your control circuit and power circuit in your industrial area. Thank you.
Okay, this is a two motor control circuit. So this circuit has common off push buttons and separate on off push buttons. Let's go to the row in this diagram in EKTS simulator. So I first use control circuit using parts library. So I select live terminal, and this is a neutral terminal, and I want there are 3 stop buttons, 1 2 3. Take this point and this point, so and take this point. So this is a common off push button. I rotate the 270 degree and combine like this, and I take this line to this line and rotate 270 degree, and I want there are 2 start buttons. I take this point, rotate the 270 degree and combine these 2 terminals, and I want there are 2 contactors. This is the first one, and rotate 90 degree and combine these terminals, and I combine this terminal to this neutral line. This is the third off switch. So I want another start button to this position, and another contactor. Rotate 90 degree. Okay, now I combine these 2 terminals, and I want self-hold in the K1 contactor, so I use the normally open contact point. Rotate 90 degree, and I want self-hold the second contactor, so I use normally open contact point for K2 contactor. I combine this like this. Okay, this is the control circuit. Now I rename this diagram using add description text. This is the control circuit, and I rename this components, electric components. This is off switch 1, and this is off switch 2, but this is a common off switch, and this is a second off switch, and this is a third off switch, and this is on switch 1, and this is on switch 2, and this one is the K1 contactor, and this is a K2 contactor. This is K1 contactors, normally open terminals, and this is a K2 contactor, normal open terminals. So right, now I design a control circuit. Let's also design a power circuit. So first I use the previous power supply and normally open triple contactor, so I want there are 2 normally open triple contacts points. and I want there are two motors, so I use 3-phase induction motors. Rotate 90 degree and rotate 90 degree. And I combine this terminal like this. And I combine these points like this. So I rename this electrical component. This is the M1 motor, and this is the M2 motor, and this is the K1 contactors, normally open triple contact points, and this is the K2 contactors, normally open triple contact points. So I am rename this diagram at description list. Power circuit. Okay, now I draw in two motor control circuits. So let's go to energize this diagram. So I use run switch, and I energize the motor 1. So you can see the motor 1 is rotate the forward direction. Now I energize the motor 2 using on switch 2. So you can see the motor 2 is rotate the reverse direction. So I can stop the motor 2 using off switch 3, and after I can energize the motor 2, and I can energize stop the motor 1 using the off switch 2, and I can energize the motor 1 using the on switch 1. At one time I can stop this two motor using the common off switch, this switch. Okay, now these two motors are become a off condition. Let's go to energize the motor 2 using switch 1. Okay, and after motor 1 I can stop this motor and this motor,